Fungal toenails are one of the most frustrating conditions I see in my Houston podiatry practice. They're unsightly, they can be painful, and they seem almost impossible to get rid of permanently. My name is Dr. Andrew Schneider, and I'm a podiatrist in Houston, Texas. In my practice, I work with patients dealing with fungal toenails every day. It's one of the most common conditions I see, and is one of the most challenging to treat effectively. Today, I want to discuss two very different approaches to treating fungal toenails: the traditional oral medication Lamisil and the newer Remy Class 4 laser therapy. But before I get into it, please like, share, and subscribe to this video. It'll help others get the information they need. Here's what you need to understand about fungal toenails. This isn't just a cosmetic issue. Fungal infections can lead to thickened, discolored nails that become painful and difficult to trim. In severe cases, especially in diabetic patients, fungal infections can lead to secondary bacterial infections. The challenge with treating fungal toenails is the fungus lives underneath the nail plate, protected by that hard barrier. Traditional topical treatments often can't penetrate effectively, which is why success rates with over-the-counter antifungal creams are typically disappointing. That's led many doctors to prescribe oral medication like Lamisil. But these medications come with its own set of challenges and potential side effects. Today, I want to give you the facts about both approaches so you can make an informed decision about your treatment. Let's start with the basics. What's actually causing fungal toenails? Fungal toenail infections are typically caused by dermatophytes. These are fungi that thrive in warm, moist environments. Your shoes create the perfect environment for these organisms to grow and multiply. Several factors increase your risk of developing fungal toenail infections. Trauma to the nail, like dropping something heavy on your toe or repetitive pressure from tight shoes, can create an entry point for fungus. Age is also a factor, as circulation tends to decrease over time, making it harder for your immune system to fight off infections. People with diabetes, compromised immune systems, or circulation problems are at higher risk. Athletes who spend time in communal areas like locker rooms and pools also increase exposure. Here's why fungal toenails are so difficult to treat. The nail plate acts like a shield, protecting the fungus underneath. Most topical treatments can't penetrate through this barrier effectively. And even when they do, the fungus can hide in the nail bed and surrounding tissue. This is why recurrence rates are high with many treatments. You might think you've cleared the infection, but only have it return months later. For years, oral antifungal medication like Lamisil has been considered to be the gold standard for treating fungal toenails. Lamisil works by interfering with the fungus's ability to produce ergesterol, which is essential for fungal cell wall formation. The typical treatment protocol involves taking Lamisil daily for 12 weeks for toenail infections. The medication travels through your bloodstream to reach the infected nail tissue. Clinical studies show that Lamisil can be effective, with success rates ranging from 60 to 80%, depending on the study and how success is defined. However, there are several important considerations with oral antifungal medications. First, they require blood work to monitor liver function. While serious liver problems are rare, they can occur. This is particularly concerning for older patients who are already taking multiple medications. Common side effects can include GI upset, headaches, and skin reactions. Some patients also report changes in taste or smell. The treatment requires a significant commitment, taking medication daily for 3 months, and even after completing the full course, there's no guarantee the infection won't return. Now let's talk about how the Remy Class 4 laser offers a different approach to treating fungal toenails. The Remy Laser is FDA cleared for the treatment of onychomycosis. That's the medical term for fungal toenails. It works through a process called photobiomodulation. But in this case, we're using the laser's energy to target the fungal organisms directly. The laser produces specific wavelengths of light that create what are called reactive oxygen species. These molecules are toxic to fungal cells. They don't harm your healthy tissue. Think of it as creating an environment that's hostile to fungus, but safe for your body. Here's what makes the Remy laser particularly effective. It's a Class 4 laser, which means it has the power to penetrate through the nail plate and reach the fungus underneath. Lower powered lasers often can't achieve this level of penetration. The treatment process is straightforward. I'll first clean and prepare your nails, removing as much of the infected nail material as possible. This helps the laser energy to reach the fungus more effectively. Then I'll use the laser handpiece to treat the entire nail and surrounding tissue. You'll feel a gentle warming sensation. It's actually quite comfortable. The treatment takes about 2 minutes for the big toe and 1 minute for each smaller toe. Most patients need a series of treatments. I typically recommend 4 treatments spaced about 4 to 6 weeks apart. This timing allows us to target fungal organisms at different stages of their life cycle. Now you might be wondering, there are other lasers available for treating fungal nails, and until now, I didn't recommend laser treatment for fungal toenails. What makes the Remy different and potentially more effective? This is an important question because not all lasers are created equal. You may have heard of systems like the pinpoint laser or hyperblue laser. Let me explain the key differences. First, let's talk about power and versatility. The Remy is a true class 4 laser that delivers up to 45 watts of power. Many other fungal nail lasers are limited to much lower power outputs. This higher power means better penetration through the nail plate to reach the fungus underneath. But here's what really sets the Remy apart. It's not just a fungal nail laser, it's a multifunctional system. The same device I use to treat your fungal nails can also be used for pain management, for wound healing, and even minor surgical procedures. This versatility means I can address multiple aspects of your foot with one advanced system. The Remy uses dual wavelengths, 810 and 980 nanometers. The 810 nanometer wavelength provides excellent depth of penetration, while the 980 nanometer wavelength is particularly effective for its antimicrobial properties. This combination gives us the best of both worlds. Another significant advantage is the Remy's programmability. I can adjust the power, frequency, and treatment protocols based on your specific condition. Some other laser systems have fixed settings that can't be customized for individual patients. So how do these two approaches to treating toenail fungus compare? From a safety standpoint, laser therapy has a significant advantage. There's no systemic side effects because the treatment is applied locally to the nail. You don't need blood work monitoring, there are no drug interactions to worry about. This makes laser therapy particularly attractive for older patients, those with liver concerns, or people taking multiple medications where adding another oral medication might not be advisable. From a convenience standpoint, laser therapy requires fewer office visits, typically 3 to 4 visits over several months, compared to 12 weeks of daily medication with periodic blood work. Now let's talk about effectiveness. Both treatments can be effective, but success depends on several factors, including the severity of the infection, how long you've had it, and your overall health. With laser therapy, you start seeing improvement as the nail grows out. Remember, toenails can grow slowly. It can take 12 to 18 months for a completely new nail to grow out, so patience is important with any fungal nail treatment. One advantage of laser therapy is it can be combined with other treatments. I often recommend using topical antifungal solutions along with laser therapy to maximize the effectiveness. It's important to have realistic expectations with any fungal nail treatment. Fungal toenails are among the most challenging conditions we treat in podiatry. No treatment, whether it's oral medication, laser therapy, or topical treatments, has a 100% success rate. Success also depends on how you define it. Complete clearing of the nail, significant improvement, prevention of worsening. With laser therapy, most patients see gradual improvement as the nail grows out. The new nail typically grows out clearer and healthier. However, it's not an overnight transformation. Prevention is also crucial, regardless of which treatment you choose. This means keeping your feet dry, changing socks regularly, using antifungal powders in your shoes, and avoiding walking barefoot in public areas like pools and locker rooms. Some patients may need maintenance treatment to prevent recurrence, especially if they have risk factors like diabetes or circulation problems. Laser therapy can be used safely for most people, including those who might not be good candidates for oral medications. It's particularly beneficial for patients who want to avoid the potential side effects of oral antifungal medication, those with liver concerns, or people taking multiple medications. Diabetic patients can safely receive laser therapy, although they need to be especially diligent about follow-up care and prevention. The laser can also be used for patients who have tried oral medication without success, or those who experience side effects and had to discontinue treatment. Fungal toenails are a challenging condition, but you have a treatment option available. Whether you choose oral medication, laser therapy, or a combination approach, the key is to work with an experienced podiatrist who can guide you through the process and help you achieve the best possible outcome. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. If you're dealing with fungal toenails and you want to explore your treatment options, contact us at the office. We'll evaluate your specific condition and discuss which treatment approach would be best for you. The link to schedule is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.